guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey you guys, it is Vlogmas day 13, and in today's video I am going to be making chicken burrito bowls for dinner. I'm tired of all the takeout spots. Don't really feel like getting out, so I'm just going to stay in and cook. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so for my chicken burrito bowls, I love to use this brand, the Zatarain cilantro lime rice. So that is what I'm going to be using. So of course you are welcome to use any kind of rice that you want, but that's just the kind that I like. So once you have your water kind of boiling, you'll go ahead and you will pour in your rice. Put a little bit of butter in there too. And stir that up a little bit. And once it comes to a boil, we'll reduce the heat and cover it and just let your rice simmer. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, so in this skillet I put a little bit of olive oil, and then I went ahead and I put in some diced chicken. This is a good way to use, like if you have the Walmart rotisserie chickens and you don't use it all, this is a good recipe that you can use it for. And then you go ahead and you season it however you want to season it. I like to use this Tony's season. Some of that in there. So like I said, you put whatever kind of season you like. Use a little bit of black pepper. And for me, garlic powder. I am such a garlic powder person. This is actually almost empty. But then you'll go ahead and you'll stir it up. Kind of spread it around. Still would smell good already. Spread it around the skillet. And let your chicken cook. And I like to make honey cilantro lime chicken. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of honey. And then I have some lime. Lime that I'm going to throw in too. And then I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of cilantro. And yes, you can use fresh cilantro. Oops, a lot of cilantro if you want. But I happen to have this on hand. Okay, so as you can see, my chicken is cooking. Now, of course, like I said, you go ahead and you flavor your chicken however you like to flavor it. Me, I like more citrus tasting, so that's why I went ahead to do the honey cilantro lime. I threw in a little bit more lime juice, also some paprika, and yeah, just seasoned it up a bit. But once it's seasoned and cooked to your liking, then you can go ahead and turn the chicken off. And that's pretty much all you have to cook is the chicken and the rice. Okay, so I have everything ready. I have my chicken that I let simmer in my seasonings. I also put a little white wine in there too. The flavor. I have the rice that's ready, and all of the toppings are just like an assembly line. We have cheese, we have black beans, we have corn that I let those heat up, my salsa, lime, and really it's just layering your bowl with whatever toppings that you want on it. Okay, so I have my bowl all set up, and last, all I have to do is add some salsa. Okay, so I put my salsa on, and I like more lime juice, so I'm going to sprinkle a bit more. And there it is. There is your chicken burrito bowl. Oh, well, the taste. Gotta let y'all know how it tastes. And try to get a bite that has like everything in it. Let me get it where y'all can see. Okay, that's pretty much everything. Yeah. so dark in here. I'm gonna try to find some light. Okay, I got some light now. So, like I said, let me take a bite. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. A piece of chicken. All right. That's so good. Like I said, the flavors with the honey and the cilantro and the lime, and then combined with everything else, it tastes so good. He with melted cheese. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating the rest of my dinner. I hope you all have a great rest of your Monday evening, and I will see you all tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Peace.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.